Yeah, this is good. I mean, it's going at 1030. Hey guys, Fix It Felix here. Today we have this Samsung washer. Let me show you the model number right here. And the problems we have on it is whenever it's trying to dry whatever's inside, it's making like a really ugly sound, and it's like keep tapping everything, like everything is moving. We have some clothes inside right now. I'm gonna show you the sound it's making. Give me 1 second and let me show you. I'm going to be putting it on the option for spin just so you can see. Now there's a trick where you can just press these two buttons right here and press the power button and just wait about 2 seconds, and you can turn this into it says spin. Now you can start. It's gonna get ugly, guys, so let me show you. It starts normal, but then it's gonna make a really ugly tapping noise. And right here you can see how fast it's gonna go. Alright, it's turning. Alright, it's about 200 right now. And there we go. It's gonna get worse. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. So yeah, now you know the problem I have. Now they recommend you replace the 4 suspender rods they have. There's 4 on each corner. One here, there, and there. But you have to remove this part in order for you to see it. I'm going to be showing you how to remove this part. And if you want to buy the rods, the suspension rods, I'm going to be putting a link down below. I'm not going to be fixing it that way. I mean, they do recommend that, but I saw the price ranging between $40 to $100. So I'm just going to show you a cheap way where you can do. It's like a temporary fix. It might fix your problem, but I'm just gonna give it a try and see what happens. All right, in order to remove this right here, we're going to be removing 3 screws. I'm going to be showing you which ones. It's this one right here, that's one, another one right here, and the other one that goes right here. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Alright, I got the 3 screws. Now this part right here, what you have to do is pull it from this side so you can open, and then you can just pull up and it comes out. Just put it somewhere safe. Now we're ready to remove this part. Make sure you disconnect it just in case. And right here, it's a bit tricky to remove. You gotta open this part, then the other part, and try to pull. I mean, it's better if you have someone that can help you and pull it evenly. I found out that it's easier that way, but if it's just you by yourself, try to wiggle it down and remove it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it again. just put it somewhere safe where it don't fall. Watch out, there's still some cables there, I think. Yeah, let me show you how that looks right there. So be careful. So okay, now we're here. These are the suspension rods I'm telling you. Like I said, you can replace those. They're easy to replace. Let me show you with this one what you can do. They have a lot of grease, so it's better like if you have some gloves or something, because it's really sticky. So let me show you. Get your hand, put it here. You know what? Let me get a glove. I just don't want to get there. Okay, I have a glove on. So like I said, it's really simple. Just put your hand here, pull up, and you can just push out like this, and it comes out. Then the bottom part, same thing. Just wiggle it down, and you can pull it out. Let me see if I can do it here with one hand. Yeah. So this is a suspension rod. They recommend you replace this. Like I said, I'm not going to replace it. And there's 4 of them. These 3 are easy to replace. Now this one right here is a bit more difficult, but it's still doable. I mean, it's not that bad. You just have to remove the little white thing that's there, and you can replace it. I'm going to show you a cheaper way on how to fix it, and then I'll do a test run and see how it goes. Let me put this back. The problem is that whenever this turns right here, the inside turns, this keeps on moving, as you can see. And Samsung just added this small patty, I'm not sure, like small foam. It's not good enough, so I mean it keeps going like this and hitting the walls and keeps making weird noises. So I'm going to show you a good way to fix it. And yeah, you guessed it, you can buy foam and put all around, but in my case I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree, and I'm going to look for some pool noodles. I'm not sure what they're called. It's like those little noodle where you see like little kids playing in the swimming pool. I'll just show you once I get to Dollar Tree. So here we are at the Dollar Tree, going for pool noodle hunting. Hopefully they have some inside. So let me park and we go right in. There it is, Dollar Tree. They're $1 each. Decent size. I'm just going to buy around 10 just to play it safe. There it is, guys. And the way I'm gonna do it is I need 2 hands for this, but you get the point. Just gonna put it in here. Oh, maybe right here like this. And just go all around. I'm gonna do it with 2 hands, and then I'll show you the end process, how it's gonna look, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, check it out. I didn't even use 10 of them. I think I used 6. And look, it looks very, very, very steady. I'm trying to move it, it doesn't even move. The inside is moving, but that's normal. But look, it doesn't even move at all. So alright, I'm just gonna give it a test run. To put this back is just follow the same instructions backwards. Just put it in and make sure you put the 3 screws, and we'll take it for a spin. Hopefully it works, but I'm pretty sure this job looks great. Let's give it a try. putting this part is very simple. Make sure you put this part in first. Whoops. Do it like this. And then you gotta put the two small little teeth inside. Let me show you. Perfect. And there you go. All right, let's plug it in. And remember, put this 2 on the power button so we can go to the spin mode. Then we go to spin. And I'm super happy because I'm pretty sure this fixed the problem. I'm not sure if it's like a fix forever, but maybe like a temporary fix. So I guess till I buy a new one. Here we go. There it is, it's spinning. Alright, I guess it's way better than before. Now it's going all the way to 800, 900, and 1,000. Wow, that's an improvement. Wow, well this is way better than before for sure. It's still making noise, but not as bad as before. I'm going to put like a before and after so you can see the difference. Yeah, this is good. I mean, it's going at 1,030 and it doesn't even make that noise it was making before, like around 700. Wow, very good. Stop it. Yoo-hoo. So, alright guys, I really hope this video helped you in any way. It may fix your problem. Like I said, it did fix mine. I mean, it's way better than before. It's not a very good fix, but you should give it a try. Like I said, I only spent about $10, but I only used 6 of the little noodle things. So I mean, it's like a $6 fix. You can give it a try. Please give a big thumbs up to this video if it helped you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what happened to your dryer. I mean, to your washer. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.